Hey traders, John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share with you just a bit of market updates on what's going on in the markets right now. So let's get straight into it. First, I'm going to look at the S&P 500. Look at the very short term on the S&P 500. We can see that the market has definitely been nicely stepping up. So we've got a low through here. We've got a market running up, got a bit of a higher low through here. So you got this low point through here. So this low point through here. And then you've got another low point through here. And so it's a low and higher low through there. And as you can see, right, you can see that this market has made this low, made this higher low through here. And now the market's running up as well too. So we're at a bit of a double top formation through here, as you can see. So, man, my computer's slow today. As you can see, we are at a bit of a double top section through here on this section through here, right? So a bit of a double top, and now we're making this higher low, but we still are very nicely. Let me do this thing through here. All right, so we are still very nicely on the upside through here. So I definitely wouldn't want to be fighting this market. When the buyers are in control right now, the only way that these buyers are not going to be in control is when we start to see something like this happen. So this is the major low through here. And as you can see, we're creating some sort of major resistance through here as well too. So it's pretty much channeling, isn't it? When you look at this, it's pretty much channeling through here, support. So depending on what happens through here, if the bears are gonna, firstly, the buyers are in control, so don't try and fight the market through here when it comes to the S&P 500. If it starts to break the 2,800 level, then that's probably when the tune of the overall market is likely to change. Same for the Dow Jones as well too. On the Dow Jones, you can see that we actually have a very nice move. Let me go through here. A very nice move to the upside. Through there, we have this support, come back down and have found a support, and now the market's rallying back up and breaking up to all-time new highs. Now on the Dow Jones, if I go say 1 year, is we have this big space here. So if we start to really get some movement here, this is probably going to rally up, and we have a bit of a gap up here near the ultimate high. And that's where it looks like it's going to try and run to as well too. So looks like we have that in play as well too. When it comes to that, and obviously the Nasdaq is being in the big overall massive upward channel. The buyers continue to raise their prices higher low, and also higher low, and we're getting this sideways movement through here. You can see we're getting a bit of a pullback here, small little candles. And so we're getting a bit of a resting phase through here. Pretty much been sideways overall. If you look at the last sort of month, we've got this support here, got a little bit of resistance here. So if we get a nice little upward candle through here, then that tells me that we're probably getting ready for another move to the upside. Once again, you're getting this pullback through here, all these small little candles. If I bring up the this is obviously the QQQs, right? So you can see the QQQs, we've got nice high low, all the way up. And now we're also getting, as you can see, right, we're also getting a lot of resistance through here. And again, pull back with small candles. And so if we get a nice sort of rally up and out, then if I extend that to the upside, if I extend this and maybe create a parallel trend line and extend this to the upside, so that'll be probably the resistance level there. If we do get a bit of a breakout, then I would say we have probably a good chance of it breaking up and hitting the top of that channel there when it comes to the markets. Moving on now to silver and gold, and what can we see now on silver and gold? Firstly, the gold market the gold market, I believe, is probably likely to continue having a bit of a rally to the upside. I definitely don't buy silver or gold right now because we are in a big downward trend overall. So that's what I do see there. We are at a short-term resistance level right now on the chart. So do we actually hold here and do we get rejected? Or do we break through up through here as well too? Once again, the market's been going down for quite some time, so a bit of a relief rally is probably welcome there. Where on the silver market right now has been making lower highs and breaking down and then rallying back up. So we can see that that's what's been happening through there, and you can see basically this sideways here, not much going on when it comes to the markets. And that, once again, lower high. So I definitely wouldn't want to be shorting this market right now. And I am actually still short as I speak right now. on the SLV. So lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, break back down, and you can see the market's really struggling where we are right now. So does the market continue down from here, or do we actually get a bit of a rally up from there? So there's a little update, guys, on the silver and gold market, and also the indices, and quick little update on the silver and gold stocks as well too. So you can see here, if I bring up, let me bring up here, if I bring up the silver and gold stocks, you can see that this market here, lower high, this support level through here, big breakdown. We've now started this very first leg down after this massive sideways phase. So even if we do get a bit of a relief rally or bear market rally, I do see that that's probably likely to be sold into and probably continue down from there. Now, if we do get a big strong rally up and out, and we start to really get a very strong rally up and out, then this is likely to be a V bottom then, and then we can see a big bull run. But if we don't get a big strong rally up and out of this to create some sort of a V bottom, then bears are in control, and then the down, the prices are down. Same for the GDXJ, and very similar for the SIL silver market, and also the SIL, the silver ETFs as well too. So the gold and stocks, the silver and gold stocks are very, very bearish, and obviously gold and silver have been getting hit as well too. I'd probably see a bit of a relief rally coming soon with gold potentially, but I do see a bit more down. I do see a lot more downside to come in. And I do see that silver's ultimately probably likely to get down to these sort of $14 level. That's what I do see. The market's probably coming back once again, coming to this support level through here. So you got this support through here. So I do see ultimately this is probably likely to rally back down and end up probably at those lows through there. Once we've broken, we've broken out of this big massive sort of sideways phase, and now we're breaking back down. The trend is down, and I do see this trend is probably likely to continue for quite some time, possibly even break these lows through